In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous page version in OneNote for Windows 10. Sometimes, while editing your notes, you may accidentally remove important content or make changes that you later want to undo. Fortunately, OneNote keeps a history of page versions, allowing you to restore your work to an earlier state without losing anything permanently. To start, open Microsoft OneNote for Windows 10 and navigate to the notebook and page where you want to restore a previous version. Make sure you're on the exact page that contains the content you want to recover. This process works best when you're already signed in to your Microsoft account, so that all changes are properly synced. Once you're on the page, right-click anywhere on the page. This will bring up a context menu with several options related to the page and its content. From this menu, select Page Versions. This option will show you a list of all the previous versions of that page, organized by date and time. You can see exactly when each version was saved, making it easier to identify the one you want to restore. Click on a version from the list to view it. OneNote will display the content from that version alongside your current page, allowing you to compare the two. Take your time to review the differences and ensure this is the version you want to recover. If you decide this is the correct version, you have a few options. You can copy specific content from the previous version and paste it into your current page, or you can restore the entire page to that version. Restoring the page replaces the current content with the selected previous version, while keeping the history intact in case you need it later. After restoring, review your page to make sure everything looks correct and all important content has been recovered. If needed, you can make additional edits or adjustments to the page. Using page version history is a powerful way to protect your work in OneNote. It ensures that even if you make unintended changes, you can always go back and recover important information without starting over. And that's it. You've successfully restored a previous page version in OneNote for Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.